How long does it take for a personal injury attorney to settle a case? In recent news, many individuals are asking how long it typically takes for a personal injury attorney to settle a case. With the rise in accidents and injuries, this topic has become increasingly relevant. If you or someone you know is navigating a personal injury claim, understanding the timeline can be crucial. The duration for settling a personal injury case can vary significantly. On average, it may take anywhere from a few months to over 2 years. Several factors play a role in determining this timeline. First, the severity and complexity of the injuries are key factors. Cases involving minor injuries may settle relatively quickly, sometimes within a few months. However, more serious injuries that requiring surgery or long-term treatment often take longer. For instance, a back injury that initially appears minor may later requiring surgery, impacting both the settlement value and timing. Next, the completion of medical treatment is essential. Attorneys usually advise clients to wait until their medical treatment is finished or the prognosis is clear before negotiating a settlement. Settling too early could mean accepting less compensation than needed for future medical expenses. Additionally, gathering evidence and documentation takes time. Collecting medical records, bills, and proof of lost wages is vital to support a fair settlement demand. This process can extend the timeline but is necessary for a strong case. Negotiations with insurance companies also influence the duration. Insurance adjusters often start with low offers and use various tactics to minimize payouts. Effective negotiation can take time but often results in higher compensation for the client. If a settlement cannot be reached, legal procedures may come into play. Filing a lawsuit can add months or even years to the process. Simple lawsuits might take several months, while more complex cases often last 12 to 24 months or longer. Furthermore, cases involving multiple liable parties or insurance policies may requiring additional investigation and negotiation, further lengthening the process. In summary, a straightforward personal injury case with minor injuries might settle within a few months. In contrast, cases with serious injuries or disputes over liability can take 1 to 2 years or more. Clients should be prepared for a potentially lengthy process as their attorney works to ensure all damages are accounted for before agreeing to a settlement. Patience is often necessary to secure fair compensation.